76 Streets.
We're here from Just Track GPS, and what we're basically doing for the car community now, we're having some deals for like car shows and the business community, which we are doing some awesome packages that will suit you. So when we do these packages and we put the trackers on your vehicle, you don't have to come on social media and post your vehicle says stolen last night and call if seen. You know you're protected by Just Track GPS, and
check.
the package is basically, it's affordable. It's gonna cost you like $17,995. That's for the basic package. And you know if you need like additional features like door alerts and so forth, it's $19,995 up for it. We do like more expensive packages like remote start, door unlock from your mobile phone. So if you lock your key in your vehicle, you can use your phone and open the door. So you don't need to call a locksmith. But what you can do, you can call us, find me on Facebook, wait for my personal page, or you can go on the Just Track page, Instagram, Facebook, find us, or you can call us 614-1500 or 876-337-2926. Come in and check us out. Protect your vehicle with us today, and you're gonna see us at cruise control in full control. You know we have great package. The packages at cruise control might be even better than what we're offering today here in Portland. Hot Wheels, big up Jason Speid, real youth, left from Waya Kingston, come Portland, come support him. Think you don't know. Just Track is for poor people, affordable packages. So check us out today. Check us out at Cruise Control and see what we can do for you to protect your vehicle. So what we are doing within the next 2 weeks, we're launching a next app, mobile app, with more features than the present one we have. So you have to choose from. And if you own a fleet, we are the best for fleet management. You can call us, contact us, message us, wherever you are. We come there and we do our installation on your vehicle. It doesn't matter. If you're the Timbuktu, we come there. Come put on the tracker on your vehicle. You don't know. Just tracker for poor people. Affordable tracking. Don't get left out. Put on your tracker today. Big up 876 Street. Always and forever. Peace out.
You know what part of it? You say a Shaz Entertainment Center. Wait a keep. Center. Where? What? Where? All if you have one. Hey, wait a keep again. Yo, tell them wait a keep again. They say Shaz Entertainment Center. What is it? Center. What is it? 18 August.
Open on to make the presentation of the second place.
You know. What will be there? Yeah, not joking. I was say 876 straight. Oh.
Alright, you don't know, TWS there. Right now we are give a shout out to Shanna. She present her birthday bash.
Wild Thoughts,
yeah, July 28th.
Right down by Dante Universal Club. I decided Ruby's gas station across on the flavors. The message is for this, I understand video.
Yeah, oh, you want to say whole crew over there to represent
TWS.
Fully and
out there.
Wow. General of the Yaman, we are talking.
What do you represent? This is yeah, man.
Pick up
listen. Wild Thoughts.
Yeah,
yo, Wild Thoughts. You know, I got through my heads, you know, too wild still, but you don't know. Big up the party, we go on. You see, you know, 28th of July. Up. Respect. Up.
Clean boss.
Hold it down, hold it down. Honda Civic, I hear you. Mitsubishi, your fire and pin drop out. And me, Vegas, I talk to you, no, Mitsubishi. Look over yourself. Look down me, Mitsubishi. And me, Vegas, I talk to you. Walk to your gun, your fire pin drop out. Alright, Starlet, let's go hear it for the last time now. Let's go hear it out. Alright, hold it down, hold it down. I hear you. These folks, shit. Alright, go. We're going to make the code judge that one out. Who said the Mitsubishi? Let me hear for the Mitsubishi.
Hold on. We are one more time. Hold up. Now it's a perfect. The crowd.
Engine B is the winner for the cleanest Engine B. Congratulations, Mr. Axio. I see you take pride in that car. I love it.
Oh, winner again.
Come forward, winner. Second place, Mr. Probox. Engine B is very nice. Axio, nicer.
And I'm inviting everyone, July the 21st, right at Automax. Inviting all Billy fans, all car racers, all the persons out there that are Billy fans. Don't forget, July the 21st, starting at 5 p.m. Everyone is invited. Refreshments on sale. It's excitement. Don't miss it.
Please representing for AE 100 fraternity. That will sure to be tonight. Moving out shortly. It's a good look. Yeah man, the thing up and running. See?
You can check it out on Facebook, Instagram. AE 100. So don't remember August 8th.
Invited. AE 100 EK lifestyle. You name it. Good look. Big show. Representing.
Get there.
million we have over there. Some boys. A flaky society. I represent the 876 trades. I'm say cross control. The 18th of August, the Shaz Entertainment Center.
Down Richmond.
Why? Yes. Whether you have a shirt, or you have a one pants, whether you drive a car, or you drive a one van. Whether you park, hey, Mr. Whether you park a road, or you park in a gang. Mr. I the Shaz Entertainment Center. The 18th of August. Cruise control. What is this control? What is this? Every piece of my record, you know. If you don't record this enough, jail house, Mr. Jail house. If we don't feel something for us, jail house, we say, well, GP, we say. All right.